Do you believe in climate change?
Yes.
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 Yes. Yes. Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I do. Well, because it's real.
Yes, I do.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
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 Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I do.
Believe in climate change?
Yeah.
Climate change is definitely happening.
Why?
Because it is backed by scientific research.
I've seen news and the different impacts, like in Thailand where I used to live, and it's getting much warmer
Okay.
here as well.
Because I notice and observe things in our environments, and I have taken a look at data.
I'm not an idiot.
Because it's a real thing, and you can all the icebergs are melting and it's really hot all the time.
Because there's like actual evidence. Because I mean the Earth's heating up and there's lots of fires and yeah, CO2.
Because it's getting hot out, and there's got to be something behind it.
There's a lot of evidence.
It doesn't make sense. Exactly. The ice caps are melting.
Because there's so much facts and evidence and science backing up this claim, and it's honestly just stupid not to believe it.
There's a lot of scientific evidence saying that it exists and that it's a problem. Earth is heating up and all that.
Because it's real.
Because it just makes sense to me.
Because we have more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere due to putting in lots and lots of fossil fuels since the Industrial Revolution.
Because there's a lot of evidence that greenhouse gases have, or the levels of greenhouse gases are too high and causing damage to our climate.
Because it's a real issue, and the scientific evidence that I can help.
Because it's real and the world is ending in like 2030 and people need to do something about it.
Because there are like an insane amount of scientific facts that have proven it numerous times.
Because it's kind of obvious that the Earth is melting. Oh, sorry.
We'll bleep it out, don't worry.
Yeah. It's kind of obvious that the Earth is melting.
Because of science.
Yeah, you can see it happening.
Yeah.
I've learned a lot about it and I know the science and facts behind it.
Well, because it was colder. I swear to God, it was colder when I was a kid.
Because there's been lots of like scientific data and studies to back it up. I believe in it because I think the evidence supports it to be like a real fact. It's not really something I like believe in, it's something that I just like understand to be true about our world.
Alright, what can we do to stop it?
Conserve energy, use less fossil fuels, ride your bike to school or take the transport.
Don't drive as much, and I mean, like, fuel companies are bad. Fossil fuels, don't support them.
We can be more thoughtful about ways to how we pollute the
Really educate people and people actually do stuff instead of talking about it.
Get rid of all cars.
We can stop buying so many commercial items.
We can do a lot of stuff as humans. Like, we can stop using a lot of plastic. We can like talk to big corporations and try to shut down big factories, like get a lot of smoke.
We can use clean energy.
Facts. Renewable energy, wind. We can use the sun to prevent the sun. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Reuse your things and reduce plastic waste.
Reduce CO2 emissions and probably convert to non-fossil fuels.
We can reduce the amount of greenhouse gases that we emit into our atmosphere by using renewable energy.
Legislators need to pass laws and make a change. Pass laws to restrict companies from our air.
We need to start using renewable energy, and we all need to be actively involved, and we need to petition our policymakers to come up with better policies so that the government moves the whole country towards renewables and off of fossil fuels.
Well, for one
one thing, big corporations are our main issue, releasing their carbon emissions into the environment and not taking a bigger responsibility for all that they do. So I think that if bigger companies take more responsibility and more action, plus smaller steps from people in the community, that could really help the earth.
You can drive an electric car and reduce your meat eating.
I think that I think more people need to get on board and more people need to actually understand that this is a real thing that's going on.
I think reductions with use of fossil fuels and coal, and just changing little things in our everyday life, maybe using solar energy more.
Take shorter showers. Go green. Recycle. Compost. You know, drive less.
Make our transportation more sustainable to the environment, like riding bikes more, and electric cars, and walking and public transit.
We need to produce less CO2 into the atmosphere.
We can make less carbon emissions and plant more trees.
I think a lot of big companies like right now need to start making changes in order to be more conscientious about the state of the world and the environment. I think especially in like the United States and China, there's a lot of big companies that like take advantage of the earth and its resources, and they're releasing too many chemicals. I can't remember which one, but yeah, it's mostly big companies in my opinion.
Gang.
I think people are too stuck in their ways of comfort, and I think we need to be uncomfortable. And I think it's going to be really hard to get people uncomfortable because that's what it's going to take. And we can't use the amount of plastic we're using now. We have to find alternatives. We can't drive the cars that we are currently driving. We cannot farm in the way we are currently farming. There are so many things we're going to have to do differently that I think Americans are mostly not willing to change. And I'm scared because I think that we've become complacent, and even though we want and we know climate change is real, we are too comfortable with our lives.
The environment's not doing too good.